Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, and I am checking in just off the Florida Trail here on the northern section of the Upper Hillsborough Tract. I took one of the off-road trails back here to those railroad tracks and that trestle you just saw, and it is an amazing place to come back and take in the peace and quiet and tranquility of this nature back here. And as you can see, the railroad tracks come right through this area. It looks like they're doing some work up here on them, repairing that trestle. There's some of the equipment and parts for the trestle and debris and such laying around here, this area. So on either side of the tracks is this deep wilderness. I'm actually near the Hillsborough River area, and it's quite swampy back here. A lot of cypress swamps in this area. It's very green, very shaded. And just up here on the trail, enjoying this late afternoon, and thought I would check in with you folks and share the experience here with you. I thought that you had to see this. Quite amazing. From these tracks, this wide trail right here will take you back into the preserve, where you can link up to the Florida Trail. So there's lots of areas to explore here. Lots of neat sights like those railroad tracks you just saw. Give you a good view of the surrounding wilderness.